Hello everyone. This video contains everything you need to know about setting up SSO for your Bubble application. Before we jump right in, let me introduce you to Bubble. Bubble.io is a no-code app development platform. It enables users to develop software and applications without coding. It gives users the flexibility to change the interface by dragging and dropping elements onto a page, further defining workflows to control the logic. Bubble.io offers a way to build an application without knowing core programming languages. miniOrange provides an integrated SSO solution wherein users can seamlessly log into Bubble.io, which is performed by creating a valid JSON Web Token in the backend. Using miniOrange SSO, Bubble users are relieved from maintaining separate user credentials for their login. There are three major steps that we'll be setting up to enable SSO for Bubble. First, configure miniOrange in Bubble.io, then configure Bubble in miniOrange, at last, test the Bubble SSO login. Now let's go ahead and configure miniOrange as an IDP in Bubble. The first step is to log into your Bubble admin dashboard. Click on Create an App button on the Bubble homepage. Enter the name of your app and click on Create App. Your app is created successfully. To install the miniOrange SSO plugin, go to the Plugins and click on the Add Plugins button. Search for the plugin from here and install the miniOrange plugin. miniOrange plugin is installed successfully. Now, let's create a new page. Go to the page index from the upper left corner and then click Add a new page. Let's call it the SSO page. Your page is created successfully. On the SSO page, add the following two elements provided by the miniOrange SSO plugin. First, SSO profile, and second, SSO starter. Moving on to adding a header and a text field on the index page. Go to the left menu and drag and drop the text on the index page. A text field pop-up will appear. First, click on the text field and then click on the Insert Dynamic Data. Then select Current User from the drop-down and then again select Email. Now let's add the workflow. Go to the Workflow tab from the left menu bar. Let's add the workflow to redirect the user to the SSO page from the index page when the user is not logged in. Now let's add workflow to initialize SSO when the SSO page is loaded. Search for the action SSO initialize and add it when the SSO page is loaded. Finally, add the workflow on the SSO page to sign up, log in, and redirect the user to the index page. Here the password must be at least 7 characters long and contain a capital letter and a number. Make sure that the password is the same in both the sign up and the login workflow. Now let's configure Bubble.io in miniOrange as a service provider. For this, log into your miniOrange admin dashboard. If you don't have an admin account, sign up by clicking the link in the video's description below. Go to the Apps section from the left navigation bar. Click on the Add Application button. Under the Choose Application Type, click on the JWT. Search for the Bubble application from the list. Fill in the required fields. Enter the custom app name of your choice. In the redirect URL field, paste Bubble's SSO page URL that we created in step 1. You can also enable two-factor authentication from here. And save the setting. Your app is configured successfully. Now let's complete the configuration in Bubble.io. To complete the configuration in Bubble, download the certificate by clicking on the certificate option and get the Bubble endpoints by clicking on the edit option from the drop-down. Keep the single sign-on URL. Go back to the Bubble dashboard and then plugins. Paste the single sign-on URL from the miniOrange in the SSO URL field and the certificate in the public key field. Now let's test the SSO login. After accessing the index page of the Bubble app, you will be asked for miniOrange credentials. Once you have entered the valid credentials, click on the Login button, and you will be logged into your Bubble.io page. I hope I was able to make you understand how to configure single sign-on for the Bubble.io application. To enjoy a seamless authentication experience and delegate all single sign-on requirements with a click of a button, please feel free to reach out to us by email or in the comment section below, and we will get back to you at the earliest.